Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make something very delicious, something we all love to eat, and we go to the restaurant to eat it, and we don't know how to make it at home. We are going to make chicken fajita pizza. It's so easy to make at home, and we just need few ingredients for it. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video and the ingredient parts. So first of all, I've taken a cup. I'm gonna pour salt, about 1 teaspoon, into it, and then I'm going to move towards the next part. That's gonna be sugar, 1 tablespoon, and we're going to add yeast, 1 tablespoon as well. With that, I'm gonna add lukewarm water, about like half cup, and then I'm going to mix it with the help of a spatula. You can also use a spoon. After mixing it quite well, we're going to put it aside. I'm going to take a ball, a white ball or a plain ball that does not have anything in it. I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and that's all. You can also name it as maida. So we're going to add the mixture of yeast and sugar and salt into it that we made just a minute before, and we're going to mix it quite well with the help of our hand. You can also use spoon if you don't like to do it with your hands, or you can also wear gloves if you don't want the stickiness on your hand. So we're going to move to adding hot water. So I have made the water hot into a oven. I just placed the cup into the oven and made it hot. With that, I'm adding oil, like 1 tablespoon. You can see the consistency should be the same of this dough. We're going to make the dough for pizza, so we're going to knead it quite well, and we're going to put it for like 1 hour to get it rise. And now I'm going to move towards the vegetable part and the chicken. I've taken oil and I've taken chicken. I've taken boneless chicken. So we're going to get the chicken fried, and unless it is turned out to be white, we're going to get it fried. We're going to add ginger garlic paste, about 1 teaspoon, and then we're going to mix it quite well. So ginger garlic paste make the chicken get like less smellier, or even if you add it to any meat, that's gonna make it less smeller. And now you can see the chicken has turned out to be white. Now we're going to move towards the masalas ingredients part. We have added 1.5 salt, and with that I'm taking 1.5 teaspoon chili powder. I'm going to mix it quite well again. So as we're using a like frying pan that's non-stick, so we cannot use any metallic spoon onto it. I'm using a wooden spoon on non-stick pan so that the non-stickness of this pan does not get hurt. Well, I'm taking oregano powder, 1.5 teaspoon, and this is gonna make it more tastier with the chicken part, and it's gonna taste better. We're going to cook it until it gets dry. Now we're going to put a lid onto it and cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see it turned out to be dry. Now we're going to add lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons. With that, I'm gonna add capsicum. I have taken 1.5 cup of capsicum, or you can say green bell pepper. With that, yellow bell pepper, and it's the green capsicum and the yellow capsicum. It's available in market. And I'm gonna add half of the onion, and I'm gonna let it cook. Well, you can also add these ingredients separately, but I'm adding all these ingredients together. You can see some people like to add the vegetables separately and the chicken separately on the pizza, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna add everything together onto the pizza, and now you can see it's quite like fried. And now we're going to set it aside and move towards the dough part. After placing the dough on our side, you can see the dough has risen up. We're going to release the air bubbles out of it, and we're going to knead it quite well. So kneading is the main ingredient in this pizza dough. Well, dough takes a lot of kneading, and this is a compulsory part. So I'm going to place the dough on a flat surface. I'm going to knead it and quite well so that it's gonna be more softer and it's gonna taste quite well. Just because the kneading is the most important part, it's gonna take a while. And now you can see the kneading is done. I'm going to place it, cut it into two pieces, and one I'm going to place aside and the other one I'm going to spread it. Well, with the help of a roller, I'm going to roll it out, and then we're going to place it on the pizza plate, or like you can say the pizza pan. You can increase or decrease the thickness of your dough according to your preference. Some people like to have more thickness, some people like to make it a little thin, so you can increase or decrease the thickness of it. Now I'm going to place this pizza dough onto the plate, and then I'm going to take a fork and gonna place some holes into it so that the pizza dough gets baked equally and evenly from each side. Now moving to the next part, I'm going to spread pizza sauce onto it, and then with the help of a spatula or brush, I'm going to spread it all over the pizza dough. And you can see you can just follow the same process like I'm going to just follow it up. And now while I'm spreading this, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be able to get my latest videos on the first go. You can see I've spread all the chicken and the vegetables onto the pizza. You can spread it evenly, like according to your preference. If you like to add more like chicken or vegetables, you can add more chicken or more vegetables, or you can also change the vegetables. If you like to add tomatoes, you can add tomatoes. If you like to add like onions, obviously I've added onions, but if you do not like to add onions, or if you don't like to add capsicum, you can just skip this part. Now I added the cheese onto the top, and I am going to bake it for 20 or to 25 minutes for 80 degrees Celsius, and it turned out to be so delicious and so cheesy that you're going to absolutely love it. You can serve it in front of your guests, so guests are absolutely going to love it. You can also like serve sauce or like ketchup with it, or even if you like to add mayonnaise, you can eat it with mayonnaise. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query related to this video or any video, you can just comment down and I will be happy to answer you. So till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and enjoy this pizza at home with your family, with your friends, and with your guests.